When we try to add up the sum of the numbers on the two balls taken, these are all the possible values for the sum, which means that to get the probability that the sum is equal to 6, it will be when the first ball is 3 and the second ball is 3. So for the first ball is 3, the probability is 2 over n plus 5. And for the second ball to be 3, there will be just one ball with number 3 left, so it will be 1 over, 1 less than this, so n plus 4. We have a 2 over n plus 5 multiplied by n plus 4. So when s is equal to 6, this will be 2 over n plus 5 n plus 4. And the probability when the sum is equal to 7 can be obtained when the first is 3, the second one is 4. So for the first to be 3, it is going to be 2 over n plus 5. And for the second one to be 4, it is going to be 3 over n plus 4. Or it can also be when the first one is 4 and the second one is 3. So for the first one to be 4, 3 over n plus 5. And then for the second one to be 3, it will be 2 over n plus 4. So when I add this together, we will have a 12 over n plus 5 n plus 4. So when s is 7, probability that the sum is 7 will be 12 over n plus 5 n plus 4. And the next value for the sum can be 8. And when it is 8, it will be 3 followed by a 5. So for a 3, it will be 2 over n plus 5 followed by a 5, that will be n over n plus 4. Or it can be a 4 followed by a 4. So if it is a 4 followed by a 4, the first one is going to be 3 over n plus 5. The second one will be 1 less than this, so 2 over n plus 4. There will be one more case which is 5 followed by a 3. So it will be 5 which is n over n plus 5 followed by a 3. 3 will be 2 over n plus 4. So evaluating this is going to be equal to 4n plus 6 divided by n plus 5 n plus 4. So when it is at 8, it will be 4n plus 6 divided by n plus 5 and n plus 4. The next sum can be 9. And for it to be 9, the first one 4, the second one 5. The first one 4, that will be 3 over n plus 5. The second one to be 5, that will be n over n plus 4. There can be another case, according to what we have here, 5 followed by a 4. So for the first one to be 5, it is n over n plus 5. The second one to be 4, it will be 3 over n plus 4. This is equal to 6n over n plus 5 times n plus 4. So when it is at 9, this is going to be 6n divided by n plus 5 n plus 4. And finally, 10. So the probability that s is equal to 10, just one case, 5 followed by a 5. So this will be n divided by n plus 5, the first ball. The second one will be 1 less than this, so it will be n minus 1 divided by n plus 4. So this will be n minus 1 divided by n plus 5 and n plus 4. So for the last column here, it will be 10, and here it will be n minus 1 divided by n plus 5 n plus 4.